how to activate your Metrobank credit card online. Starting off, launch your preferred browser in your device and search for Metrobank. Select the option of Metrobank People to People UK Banking. That will be your first suggestion. In here, you'll be redirected to the official homepage of your Metrobank. Now, to activate your Metrobank credit card online, you need to log in into your Metro account first and foremost. For that, tap on the login option at the top. Select personal banking or business, commercial, or even register if you are new. Here, I've selected personal banking. Now to sign in, you need to enter your 12-digit customer number or username in this dialog box, then just tap on Continue. Now on the Continue button, you will see the option of forgotten your customer number or username or forgotten your password or security number. By tapping on it, you'll be able to recover your Metro account in case of forgotten credential. Now, once you have successfully logged in into your Metro account, you have to navigate to the section of Manage Your Card. By tapping on it, you'll be able to see the Activate Your Card or Add a Credit Card. Select either of the option, then enter the card detail that will require card number, CVV, and the expiration date. And that is how you'll be able to activate your Metrobank credit card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.